Now I am going to demonstrate how to connect the patch cable between the radio and the SWR meter and connect to antenna to measure the SWR. I am demonstrating measurement on VHF as my CP22E antenna is for VHF. Earlier I had checked the same antenna for UHF also and found that the SWR is 2.25:1. Now I am only demonstrating testing on VHF. This is the HLF 200 patch cable. HLF 200 is equivalent to LM 200. You can see that there is one PL 259 connection at one end. This is another PL 259 plug at the other end.